Hello, hello, Dr. Stephanie here, coming to you from Exotica. And I am here talking to performers, I'm talking to sex workers, I'm talking to everybody really about mental health and about how couples can improve their relationship. And one of the things I did was I brought my book, The Anti-Fight Journal, and I wanted to tell you just a little bit about it because I have a lot of questions coming to me. So this is a journal that allows you to get your thoughts out of your head and down on paper. How many times has your significant other or your partner, however you want to claim them, has done something that's pissed you off, right? And you don't want to bring it up. It's not big enough to bring up, but it's still big enough to irritate you. And the more it sits there, the bigger it gets in your head, right? Because our brain makes connections and it tries to make pathways to figure out the worst possible scenario. So what I love about how you use this journal is you're going to get it out of your head and down on paper in this section right here. And this is gonna be all week long or however long between your fight sessions, right? You're gonna get it out of your head and down on paper so you know it's important enough to be talked about and we're not gonna forget about it, but it doesn't have to stay there and ruminate and ruminate and grow and grow and grow. On your fight night, you're gonna choose one of the topics. This one is, this is for throuples, couples, however many people you have in your relationship, this book works for them. Another element of it I love is throughout the week, write things that they did good. I caught you doing this good. Please, let's do more of this. So there's not only are we talking about the negative, but we're also talking about the positive. Here at the bottom, we have a we have a way for you guys to structure your fight before, so you're going into it prepared. This is the part I love the most, the fight journal. You're gonna have your predetermined fight night, whatever that is, and then we have our goal of the fight. Now, how many times have you started a conversation and then got off topic? ADHD right here, right? So if you get off topic, there's a place right here, and that space is for you to write down subtopics or whatever's come into your head so you can make sure that you're staying on topic with your partner. This tells you the rules of engagement, and then after you've talked and you've got everything worked out, you're going to write down what you guys agreed on, what you did positive, what you did negative, what's the outcome, how are we going to move forward. This is a great place for you to get all of these ideas down on paper, and also you can review it later. ADHD, I forget a lot. So if I go through the book and I'm like, oh, we've already discussed this, and this is what we decided, I can go to my partner and say, hey, you know what, I know we talked about this and this is what we decided, but I think I need to renegotiate it. I've had some changes. Or any of that, they can come to you, but it's a living place for your fights to stay, and they don't interrupt your day, and they don't make your day or they don't make your weeks and everything worse. And who doesn't like having some great makeup sex, right? So this is my little journal. It's the Anti-Fight Journal, Fighting Fair in Relationships. The first part of it is going to teach you how to fight fair, and then the second part of it is all of the journals. You have 30 days, or 30, I shouldn't say 30 days. You have 30 fights already in this book, and so it's up to you. Hopefully, after I had someone say, well, what happens after 30? Well, hopefully after 30 you have the down, you have the rhythm of the activity down, and you don't need to put it down in a book. But if you do, just get out a regular old journal and just keep going with it. Guys, thank you for taking your time to listen. I'm Dr. Stephanie, and check out the Anti-Fight Journal. You can check it out on our website at evolveyourintimacy.com or at beautifulbeginnings.com. Thanks, and have great sex.